Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate TikTok account. First of all, open your TikTok official app and now tap on down right corner just profile, and now tap on top right corner just three horizontal line, and now tap on settings and privacy, and see here just tap on accounts and tap on deactivate or delete account, and please watch for loading. And now finally deactivate account, tap on here and please tap on again deactive. And now just check your Gmail account and collect your pin code. See here 689501 689501. Just tap on deactive account. I have finally deactive your TikTok account. You can reactive again your TikTok account so very easily. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.